Top 5 Best Gaming Laptops in 2022. Number 1. Razer Blade 15. Price, $127,999. OS, Windows 10. Utility, gaming. Thickness, 19.9 mm average. Display, 15.6 inches large. 1920 by 1080 pixels average. 282 ppi. Performance Intel Core i7, 8th generation. 2.2 GHz, hexa-core. 9 MB cache. 6 GB, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 Max-Q design average. 16 GB DDR4 RAM average. 2 TB hard disk, 256 GB SSD. Connectivity Ethernet, LAN, HDMI, Thunderbolt, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth V5.0.3x USB 3.0, 1x USB Type-C's backlit keyboard, inbuilt microphone. Number 2. Acer Nitro 5. Price $84,999. The 2022 model of the Acer Nitro 5 has been priced starting at 84,999 rupees in India. You can check out the prices of both the configurations right here. Number 1. Intel Core i5-12500H CPU, RTX 3050 GPU, 8 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of SSD, 84,999 rupees. Number 2. Intel Core i7-12700H CPU, RTX 3050 GPU, 16 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of SSD, Rs109,999. Number 3. Alienware X14. Price $149,990. Dell Alienware X14 Gaming Laptop, Intel i5-12500H, 14, 35.5 cm, FHD 144Hz 400 nits GSANSI Plus Advanced Optimus, 16 GB DDR5, 512 GB SSD, NVIDIA RTX 3054 GB, Dolby Atmos, Lunar Light, 1.84 kg, D569937 Win 9. Brand, Dell. Series. Alienware X14 R1. Screen size 0.14 inches. Color, Lunar Light. CPU model, Core i5. RAM 16 GB. Operating system Windows 11. CPU speed 3.3. Number 4. Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. Price $129,990.00. Brand Lenovo. Model name Legion 5. Screen size 15.6 inches. Color Phantom Blue, top, Shadow Black, bottom. CPU model Ryzen 7. RAM memory installed size 16 GB. Operating system Windows 11 Home. Special feature built-in microphone. Graphics card description dedicated. Number 5. Asus ROG Zephyrus G15. Price $119,990. Brand Asus. Series GA503QMHQ173TS. Screen size 15.6 inches. Color Eclipse Gray. Hard disk size 1 TB. CPU model Ryzen 9. RAM memory installed size 16 GB. Operating system Windows 10 Home. Special feature anti-glare screen. Graphics card description dedicated.